Earnings just out from Ford. EPS beat the street. Revenue missed slightly, but the boost in full-year guidance is helping the stock. Shares are higher by almost 8% right now. Joining us now in an exclusive interview is Ford CFO Sherry House, along with our own Phil LeBeau. Phil.
Thank you, Melissa. Sherry, thank you for joining us today. We just went over the numbers. You beat the street on EPS. And I think what's interesting here is you're raising your full-year earnings and free cash flow guidance in large part because you're more optimistic about what you're seeing with what people would consider the traditional business, the internal combustion engine vehicle business, as well as a few other areas. How much of that is due to the stronger U.S. sales and pricing in this environment?
Well, Phil, thank you so much for having me on today. And it is great to be here to talk about our second quarter performance, our second strong quarter performance leading to our second raise yet this year. And you're right. The story this quarter is really about strong pricing and mix. In particular, where we're seeing the mix improvements is with the Bronco, as well as with our three-row SUVs like the Explorer and the Expedition. We also saw continued leadership in the F-150 series as well, where we had the highest market share, the highest share of revenue with the least incentives. But our story this quarter didn't stop at the top line. It also was about deep operational improvements in cost and quality. In fact, we're on track to be able to deliver our second year of improvements in material cost and warranty. This year, we're looking to bring home $1 billion, and we're on track for that. The other thing we're really excited about is our initial quality was really recognized here recently by Ford being named the #1 mainstream brand in the J.D. Power initial quality study. But most important for this quarter, the business isn't just executing to plan. The business has been able to absorb headwinds as they've come at us.
Sure. Well, Sherry, one of those headwinds was the Novelis aluminum supply from upstate New York. The fires that happened there that have severely impact your aluminum supply. You've expected that the recovery now is going to be, $2.5 billion in terms of volume? Originally, you thought it would be $2.5 billion to $3.5 billion, or $3 billion, I should say. Why the trim there down to $2.5 billion?
Well, it was always an estimate from the start, $2.5 to $3 billion. But the important number to take away is that we are going to bring $1 billion additional on a year-over-year basis as part of our recovery. That is what we guided, and that's what we're sticking with. Our costs are actually down as well. Originally, we thought it was going to be $1.5 to $2 billion of cost hit, and it's actually turning out to be closer to $1.5. But the most important thing is the hot mill is back up and running. We are qualifying and validating our parts now. We just had June return to our normal run rate across our Super Duties and our F-Series. And by the time we exit about September, we're expecting that we should be 100% back on that hot mill. So we are geared up and ready to go.
Sherry, you're forming a joint venture with Geely out of China for your operations over in Europe. That is focused on European operations. Any chance that that is also in other continents around the world or elsewhere in the world aside from Europe?
No, that isn't the plan. Right now, we are very much focused on Europe. This was a fantastic opportunity for us to take advantage of a wonderful plant that we have in Valencia, Spain, and open up we have open capacity. And now we will be able to offer 2 products that Geely will make there, 2 products that Ford will make there, and 1 product that we plan to co-develop. What that means is every product coming out of that plant will be at a lower cost. And this is what we need to do in this competitive environment. So we are looking to do more partnerships like this in order to make sure that we are being very thrifty with our capital, and capital efficiency is top of mind for Ford.
Sherry, are you still on target for the new lower-priced EV to roll out next year?
We are. In fact, the Universal EV platform is busy getting ready. We have equipment installed, and we are busy getting qualification of that the equipment is running well. The supply chain is ramping up, and you might have even seen some of our products on the road that we are testing today. So we're on track. UEV is planned for 2027, and that is going to start with a medium-sized pickup truck aimed at about $30,000 as the starting price.